What's up, you guys? Alright, I've been wanting to do this for a while, but the line was always too long, so I'm gonna do it now. We are going to do the Twilight Zone tower up there. This may be the last time I am riding this ride. But right now they're doing a late check-in while they're doing construction on the new Guardians ride. That's cool and everything. Late check-in.
Check out.
So they're doing late checkout, right? Which is basically, as the sign said, complete darkness. I'm going to be recording everything, and although you won't be able to see anything, you can hear it.
Looking at my surroundings now, because I have no idea if this ride will be returning. So, gotta take some memento, you know?
The walkway is clear around the outside edge of the room. As you stay right to the darker square, keeping the walkways clear around the outside edge of the room.
Can I be on the outside? No, you can be on the inside.
Row 5 to your center left. Go, Dad.
Strangest journey of your lives. Your destination unknown, but this much is clear. A reservation has been made in your name for an extended stay. Wave goodbye to the real world. For you have just entered the Twilight Zone. That door is opening once again, but this time it's opening for you. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Oh, that's He's smart.
So not exactly in complete darkness, but still pretty cool. Man, I'm gonna miss this place. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Please like and subscribe, and remember, keep dreaming, keep believing.